Good morning, I'm Piet Oudolf. We own this garden. This is the garden where we try all the perennials we get in, and also try combinations that we can use in our design. This Mother Part is one of my favorites. It starts with a beautiful brown color, and what you say, color is important for a particular moment in the time, but you see it's more ornamental, more architectural.
The New York High Line is a great place to talk about issues of perennial management. So we'll be talking to Piet Oudolf about how the High Line is managed. Now, the history of the High Line is that it was originally an elevated freight railway line. It became disused in the 1960s and then became a completely wild place that was almost entirely forgotten about, apart from a few explorers of urban spaces and some dedicated naturalists. Piet Oudolf, the Dutch garden designer, was part of the landscape design team who won the competition to create what has become one of the world's most successful new parks. I've known Piet Oudolf since 1994. I've always been struck by his combination of real design skills with fantastic plant knowledge and real enthusiasm for plants. Now, there's a lot of information out there about how wonderful perennials are, how we can grow them and how we can design with them, and much less information about managing perennial plantings over time. So in the 4 lessons of this course, we're going to be looking at the month-by-month short-term aspects of looking after perennials, the basis of a lot of garden work. But we'll also be looking at the longer term, at how perennial plantings change over time, particularly if they're in conjunction with shrubs and trees.